from there. Okay, guys, so good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go over yesterday's trade. In fact, let's just go over the trades this week. So we had a decent trade on Tuesday, was in profit, and then just moved down. We closed at minus 1%, roughly around about here. Stop loss was all the way down here. And yesterday we got a huge sell. I was looking for it to do what it did here on the 5th of May, which is just literally exactly the same setup. Next hour just absolutely obliterated it, and we moved all the way down to here. That's why TP1 was here and TP2 was here. We didn't get that. We absolutely messed around. The only move to the downside we got, which ended up being a pin bar, was at 1900, which, it still hasn't moved to the downside. So, still a very good trade. We got out. I lost like 0.2%. We got out like here. That's why there's a little SL here. Stop loss was all the way up here, but we closed roughly around about here. So that's why it's there, and that's why this is there, because I closed around about here, there, and I closed around about here, there. So there we go. So this was a break even, 1% loss, 0.2% loss. So these last three, not been fantastic, but there's not really been any good opportunities in the market if we look at this price action here. So maybe today we get a move to the upside. So if we look on the daily, this still looks bullish. We still haven't been able to break this level here. We're still making higher highs. We're still making higher lows, sorry. This looks like a squeeze, though. It could move to the downside today. It could move to the upside. We are at this level of buy pressure, though. So, again, we haven't been able to close below this level. It's still bullish. So, today, unless we get otherwise, unless we get a bearish engulfing candle and then I go for a sell, I mean, the daily suggests that today could close bullish, because every time we touch this level, we always get a move to the upside. So we've had move to the upside exhaustion, move to the upside exhaustion, and it's just kind of bouncing at this level. So until we actually break this level, we have to look for moves to the upside, guys. So there is a downtrend. Actually, to get rid of that. Today it's probably look something kind of like this. I can imagine this is just going to consolidate and then move up. If we do see the same as yesterday, I will 100% sell this. Simple as that. I don't mind going long or short in this market because there's no trend. There is no lower time frame trend. There's a higher time frame trend, obviously, higher highs and higher lows. But as for this is just pure consolidation on the hourly time frame right now. And we're just trying to catch pips, and it's just not trending great. So, yeah, not fantastic. But looking for a move to the upside. We do have news later. We do have Michigan consumer sentiment. So we'll see what happens then. We do have industrial production before. So I've actually back tested Fridays a lot. When we have industrial production before Michigan, like we did this Friday, usually we can trade before Michigan. It's a little bit of a gamble. Sometimes it doesn't work out, but you can trade this candle. So again, it is a gamble, risk less, but you can trade before Michigan if you get a bullish or bearish engulfing before it. Fridays are very hard. I've realized that now. Just literally just back testing Fridays, taking in Michigan consumer sentiment into account. Sometimes you can get a candle like this, Michigan comes out and it moves down. Sometimes it can have an amazing move and you can make a lot more than what you lost previously. So again, it is a gamble if we get a bullish engulfing before, but sometimes it does work out. US 30. Okay, so this looks really good. This looks a lot cleaner. daily. Nice exhaustion to this level here. Broke the downtrend, push, exhaustion. Nice level, previous level of sell pressure, now turning to buy pressure. This does actually look, yeah, it does look like it's struggling to see buy pressure. But either way, until it breaks this level here, we'll still look for long. So long here to this high. Stop loss probably here, 2.3 to 1. Potential today. Again, I expect it to consolidate over the London session and then move to the upside. There we go. So that's US 30. It's going to gold. So gold actually moved down yesterday, which was quite strange. We're still being squeezed here. Again, not great smooth moves in gold, is there? We can get rid of this because it's just going to cloud our judgment. Go to the daily. Get rid of it. There's nothing pretty there, is there? You see the overall level of buy pressure. There's no... I can't see a nice level to get buy in here. Let's have a look at what the fundamentals say. Fundamentals say that gold is stronger. Okay, fair enough. Is there a decent level for a buy here? Obviously, I'm just going to go to this level here. Potentially. Something like this. I don't expect much on a Friday from gold, to be fair. But if we can, I mean, it's not even great, is it? Minor move. Maybe if we pushed it. No, there isn't anything until we go to the next level, which is up here. Just not fantastic. We could get this move here, but I highly doubt it. Still looking for a long though, so the level is what 2165. Let's just say 2165. Looking for buys at that level. British pound against the yen. Again, we've had buyers come in and a really good setup at 7 a.m. So for this, guys, I think that getting up super early, 7 a.m. is the way to go with this because it seems that all the good trades are at 7 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 4 a.m. That just seems to be the dealio now. But if you did catch that, I mean, that is a classic bullish engulfing candle, high level of buy pressure, absolutely amazing trade. If you haven't got in, which I don't expect any of you have, minor exhaustion on the 15 to this level here for a continued move to the take profit. Fundamentals are very much to the upside. Greenwich pound positive 2.1. The yen is a -5. Medium term, the Greenwich pound is a positive 0.3. Yen -1.2. Long term, the Greenwich pound is super strong as well. So Greenwich pound against the yen. Massive moves to the upside. Awesome. That is a classic entry right there. Beautiful. That's what entry should look like. British pound against US dollar. We did not see buy pressure. Look at that. Broke straight that level. So the beauty with this strategy is that if we don't see a bullish engulfing at this level, if we see sellers come in, and then we just don't place, so that is invalid. We don't place, and we see if we can find another high probability setup. Daily. See, we're still making higher highs. Look, we're still at this level. Higher high unless we break this level here and we move down to here, then we have made a lower low. But let's take a look at this. So British pound is USD still stronger. US dollar stronger medium term. Long term, the British pound is stronger. So a little bit of a mix, but overall, the British pound wins. So honestly, I would just say with this, we're moving down at the moment. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Has to break. Has to do something like this. For me to be interested now. So honestly, it's not going to be today. Probably next week. British pound against USD. You could probably stop looking at that for a little bit. Same with the euro against USD. I think that this, literally, that news come out, it just absolutely knocked it for sick, didn't it? Jesus. USD saw major strength. Damn. Thing is, it's still high, 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 low, high, 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 low here now. At this level. So it's probably going to touch here, then move up. This is a daily zone. This is only a 4 hour. So I need to get that right. Let's make this thinner. There we go. This one needs to be thinner. Just at the bottom of that pin. There we go. So on the hourly with this, it would have to show us something good in order for me to be interested in it. We'll probably catch the liquidation. If we do get a sharp move down, then a sharp move up. Potentially. But if you don't, you can always catch the retest. So that's what I'll be looking for on the Euro USD. Someone's asked for Bitcoin. Barack has asked for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Okay, so that's moving down. Daily time frame, it's touched previous high, which is the 66, 65. After a long move up, it was bound to have some kind of exhaustion, right? Let's go to 4 hour. Beautiful. I wouldn't long this yet until, let's get rid of this, get rid of this. So it's moving down, it's having an exhaustion, right? For the 1 hour, the only thing I would do just wait for this, man. Wait for it to show you it's going to move up again. Wait for it to pull back to 68. Then long that bitch. All the way to the high. That's what I would look for, man. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's probably going to consolidate here. Might even have another liquidity grab until it breaks this. We're making high highs again. No point. Or unless it breaks this level and then you're looking for sells. So breaks this level buys, breaks this level sells. It's literally in the middle. So this is like the no-go zone right here. No-go zone. If it breaks, you look for buys. If it breaks here, you look for sells. There you go. That's like a good way of putting it. So there we go. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you, guys. It's not that many, but I did start late. Barack, GWAP, Ottavino, and S7R, 1K, 3R. Damn, that's a good name. So yeah, guys, have a great day. I shall see you later. Maybe we get a trade today. I don't actually like Fridays that much, but they can be the smoothest days sometimes. So we'll see what happens. Take care, guys. Have a great day, and also have a great weekend. Bye bye.